Top of the morning, my folks. This is a rumor report, and I'm Pillow Talk. And this morning we have on the report, Foota catch a stroke by finding out how Kartel really a deal with him baby mother. Look at the monitor. Next on the report, we have Shorty, Sharp Bass Music, Kartel, Wifey. Yeah man, him said little vibes to go buy Yara X6 according to Yard Vibe Entertainment. But look at this. Look how long Kartel by the X6 there. Yo, people have mixed up our fuckery there. Next on the report, we have Chronicler saying ready for war again. Just up in an army suit there, St. Thomas, on the hillside. Yo, Malidan, I don't know if a fiance or not, you know. Yo, this is total bullshit. Next, we have on the report, J Progress. I say, yo, Kartel someone do call it a fuckery. Big fuckery, trash. But we disagree to some extent. You see me, I say, but J Progress, yo, the man deal with the song to post it, call it. The man say, enough to come back to Jamaica ever again, can record no artist. Because you make Jamaican artists and look like fuckery.
Me know say enough I wanna like for me bias. But me ask you this. And me alone, as a Jamaican, see and realize say this song with DJ Khaled do with Vibes Kartel, Mavado, Bounty Killer and Buju Banton a total fuckery. And me alone realize that song do not make no sense. Me no really get it how DJ Khaled could have get so many giant dancehall giant pan a track and the track a fuckery. Me no like it none tall. To be honest, the only little part now we me like, I must Bounty Killer and Buju Banton part. Kartel as me artist, me no rate Kartel part. Mavado when me no rate Mavado part. It's a foolish. DJ Khaled didn't do a good job. The only thing DJ Khaled do with that song is put one big old hype around it. I anticipate that it's gonna be the biggest and the historical song. This song not ready. This song not it. Me no think no Jamaican feel a song there. If you no want to be biased, you can be biased, you know. But I wouldn't play that song in my car. I wouldn't play the song. The video was beautiful. The quality of the video and stuff and the production of the video. But the song itself, for all these big giant of dancehall, DJ Khaled, you make dancehall look like fuckery. You make the giant them look small, like a some little ants. Me no like it. Me can guarantee say a whole heap of Jamaican no like it either. DJ Khaled, you feel pan a project there. Believe when me tell you that.
Next, we have on the report, Great Nico Fire say, yo, here we go and Kartel is not the dancehall artist for the year. It's Massacre. The man this up, Kartel wicked. Yo, Nico Fire. But you know you love viral say, brother. You know what to do for make the Vendetta fans and come at him. You know what to do for make the Kartel fans and come at him. Yo, go and make your bread, my dog.
But make sure say this, Vibes Kartel is not the artist for the year, for 2025 year. So I put this out and done. Because I realize everybody talk about Vibes Kartel artist of the year. Artist of the year, a Massacre. Yeah man, artist of the year, a Massacre. Artist of the year for 2025, because we only have a few more months left in a year, a Massacre. Massacre lead by a mile. Then we can work with Vibes Kartel. I don't want to feel like a friend me look for a Massacre neither. True, me and Jibra, he run out panning with pan clip, but I don't know me always talk the truth. I no feelings thing this. Massacre, arts of the year. Male arts of the year, Massacre. So, on nobody ground. And if Vendetta fans saying, please me I beg you, the conversation on the phone. So nobody try force on yourself tonight. Please and thanks.
And like over there, so you have this TikTok, you have this, the man disrespect and disgrace. Nico Fire. Brother, Nico Fire, we need a return and sign. Because based on when I see that video you post long time, I'm going to see you respond to it. So we are bringing it to the light. You always have chat up your thinking mode, so just come talk now. Go and see you talk about this. That the man make some valid points, brother. So, we don't want to hear the fuckery. Go and respond.
You have a morning show in a Spanish town where I haven't seen any great artist give you any strength. And me know you aga look strength from every and anybody. You'd love to see an alkaline by your show. With an attitude like this, you think it a happen? Me see DJ AJ left foreign and come to Jamaica and Bounty Killer find him. All kind of artists find him and go on him program. And your program I run in Jamaica probably longer than his one. Don't name me 2 of the icons them out of Jamaica that find a program and give a program that strength. But I'm telling you something on the need to leave politics out of business. Alright, you have an artist, promote the artist by not tearing down another artist. Stop come on the fucking internet and try to compare other artists with other artists as a selector. It's not doing good for your business. Fucking done said. So let me address you. Alright? If you don't have any fucking sense, let me address you because you have some fucking sense. The little goons them where you have run in a Spanish town will make you feel like say yes, you're the done, or you feel like say yo, you're valid, bro, it ain't going nowhere in the business for you. Nowhere to go take your business. Alright? You saw Kartel used to behave like the most notorious. What Kartel did I do? Nothing more than send himself go to prison. You see him come out on a different team depan, the business side of the music him depan. You need to learn that and teach your artist that too. You need a career out of this. It's not for come and behave like you're a fucking asshole. You not see the Shaggy. You not see the Sean Paul. You not see the Rascal Dexter Daps. You not see the black, where name Charlie Blacks. You know, see the kind of money where certain artists make out of business because they're not in a confrontation. Not look pan assassin right now because he's not confronted with nobody. Look pan busy because he's not confronted with nobody. Elephant never clash to make him way as one of the giants in the business. Yes, it work for Bounty Beanie, it work for Kartel and Movado. But which part they make the most of their money? You think it's in a rivalry? No. It's not rivalry, but they make the most of their money. None of them rival songs never hit the billboard. So no go on like an idiot. Go on like you're an idiot, Nico. And let me tell you something, wherever you want him like an artist. Me tell you, are your friend him be. But friend and business sometimes don't work. So me say run him from around him, I mean you don't need to be friend with him. Just make him understand, say look here, yes what you depend and what me depend, not good for my business. Yeah? You run with that clown there from around you. And go make your money. Because come like say yo, if you get the break a morning, him same one, I go bad mind you. You go on.
Next on the report we have Javi, ambassador, alkaline producer. Yeah man, the people must say I move like him frightened man. I don't know. I don't understand why I make a comment they do. They wanna promote him artist song. 450. So him a go do every little skit and little video for promote his people no mix up and love and folk Crystal and I don't know what coming them together the head of
Nobody no love you like I do. That girl I'm a fine tune. Yeah, girl me for up in.
Next on the report we have the footballer with him Andrew Vanzi. The bad them say the liars bad they ever see that they life. The man say never drink for the damn band. The man say never go party yet. The people that dig up all and whole picture them and post up. We see a fan comment and say you see your man wicked. We see a word say this is the definition of how man wicked. No sir.
I'm born man drink, no alcohol. Never drink alcohol before? You can't want to play football and indiscipline. You have to be disciplined. You have to set a level of respect for yourself. If you want good, them say no for run. That level of discipline help you to reach the type of level where you reach, win the local Premier League and get a national call up. That's why I'm still playing the league now. And I'm 34 years old. No party, no drinking.
Next on the report, Kartel denounce Jamaican KFC. Say UK have the best KFC in the world. Oh, lad. What kind of war this man gonna start? Hey, Kartel, you don't go viral. You fuck everybody up. You know exactly how to go viral. Oh, you have to say, UK KFC are the best KFC. Brother, what the fuckery? Even the people in my UK know say, Jamaica of the best case.
Jamaica people, man, I tell them this something here. You know when I go to England KFC better than Jamaica KFC. Come on. TG.
No, and according to the reports, Foota hype call Ice Pan 1 Kevin. So, one Kevin dey on the run right now. He mean the hiding. He can't go live, he can get in live location. He have to post one video on him page. And I on the hiding. I don't know who it be. I don't see him for a while for show on live. So I don't know if him account get banned or what. I don't know. But me hear say Foota hype call Ice Pan 1 Kevin. Or the 90s him saying. Allegedly, everything is rumors. I never said it. That's what I heard. Alright, my peeps, this is the Rumor Reports, and I'm your host, Pilota, and this is the Ugly Truth Podcast. Listen, like, comment, share. Do everything what you know you're supposed to do. I don't have to remind you every time. You get it? So we get it, so we tell it.